Welcome back to my morning report analysis video with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets on Friday 12th of October. Let's have a look at cable, which had another positive move higher yesterday. Slight slip back today, 24, 25 pips down on the day, but you'd still sort of point towards this as being an improvement or the improving aspect of this chart, which ultimately I think we'll continue to see little corrections bought into. Now, Brexit is clearly a key factor, and you've got this EU summit next week, and the market will be beginning to focus on that and how that affects sterling. Positive outcome from that summit will be sterling positive. So that's pretty much what I think the market is pushing out for. Certainly in recent days, the noises out of the powers that be would suggest as much. But as I said, today you've seen a little bit of dollar strengthening. It's just weighed on cable a little bit, but to be honest, I don't think it's going to be too excessively sort of negative in that regard. Now, what we have on the hourly chart is this sort of move through several resistance levels, really. 30.55, the market sort of broke back higher. That's a historic sort of pivot and resistance that's now been left behind as support. Sure. And you've now sort of been building this run of higher lows, which means you can sort of point towards initial support being 31.80, lows of the last couple of days, and then 31.35, which is a pivot. So if I zoom in there, you can see that pivot, 31.35, which is pretty decent pivot actually, pretty strong. So that's a decent line of support, and again becomes would be a little retracement within this sort of run higher. So that's where you'd be sort of looking out for a buying opportunity potentially, but to be honest, it still looks positive in this recovery. You're still in this uptrend, run of higher lows, decent momentum indicators still, and you'd still be looking to buy into weakness. But given that the Brexit negotiations are ongoing, and you could get noises and around that and rhetoric coming out, you could see some volatility, but for now the dollar is strengthening a touch today, and that's why we've got sterling a shade lower, but still positive in cable configuration. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later.